Unit 3, Lesson 2. Track 16. Dave phoned the sports centre and heard a message. Listen to the message. What does Dave have to leave?
This is the Ashby Sports Centre. Thank you for calling. We hold classes in many different sports, from tennis to horse riding. We have separate classes for women and girls and for men and boys. There are 3 kinds of classes: beginners, advanced and team practice. Please leave your name and address and we'll send you a leaflet. Thank you for calling.
Track 17. Listen and repeat these words. Beginners, advanced, team practice.